Amazing day, ladies and gentlemen of this forum. Welcome to this training titled Benefits of Proper Hydration. Today, I'll be talking about something very simple yet incredibly powerful, and very many people do not do it. Hydration is why staying properly hydrated is one of the most important things we can do for our bodies and minds. Most of us don't drink up to a glass of water except when it is the time we have hiccup. That's why if you see the image there that says water is not just to quench your thirst. Water is often overlooked in our busy lives, but it plays a critical role in virtually every systems of the body. On average, the human body is made up of about 60% of water. This means that hydration affects everything from how we feel to how we function. Like I said, water makes up about 60% of our body weight and is vital for almost every function of our body. Body's proper hydration supports everything from cell function to temperature regulation. You can see the image there telling us on all the things that hydration do to our body. What is proper hydration? Proper hydration means maintaining the right balance of fluid in our bodies. It varies depending on factors like age, activity level, and environment. So for general guidelines, we are advised to take a minimum of 8 bottles of water, 8 bottles of 75 cl water daily for us here in Africa because of our environment. For those living in the Antarctica area, very cold area like Russia, Canada, you might take a little less, but you must not take less than 5 glasses of water, which is about 5 bottles of water every day. So for us here in Nigeria, you must not take anything less than 8 bottles of 75 cl water or 10 sachets of pure water. So it's advised that you keep to this standard so that you can have proper hydration. Benefits of proper hydration. Drinking enough water benefits us in many ways. It is helpful. It helps physical performance, keeps our energy up, aids digestion, lubricates our joints and cushions organs, maintains healthy skin, and even prevents headache and kidney stones. It also eliminates constipation. I've also mentioned earlier that it helps to regulate body temperature, just like when you have your bath. Though the water will enter through your sweat pore, through your pores, but when you drink this water, it also helps you to maintain your body temperature. For constipation, if you drink less water, if you are dehydrated, your body will look for water, especially your kidney and your liver. And when they don't have enough water for the body's function, it will go to your colon, your large intestine, and suck the water from the colon. Invariably, in simple English, it goes into your sheet to suck the water from the sheet to reuse it in the system. So when it sucks the water from your sheet, what happens? It will be dry. And when you are pressed to go to the toilet, you see that you have to force yourself for it to happen, for you to excrete. The reason being that you are dehydrated. If you are properly hydrated, you prevent all this. Hydration and physical performance. When we stay hydrated, our muscles perform better. We experience less fatigue and we recover faster after exercise. This is especially important for athletes or any physical activities. Physical activities including sex. If you are not properly hydrated, you will not have good blood flow through your system. So it could also be said that if you want to improve erectile dysfunction, proper hydration could help improve that. if it is not the one that is very serious. Same thing for our females. I will explain better as we proceed. So we see that proper hydration improves endurance and strength. It prevents muscle cramps and fatigue and enhances recovery, especially when we perform activities. So stay hydrated. Hydration and cognitive function. Dehydration can affect our brain functions, leading to poor concentration and increased anxiety. Staying hydrated improves focus, memory, and overall mental health. So it is advised that we stay hydrated, because when we are properly hydrated, it enhances concentration and alertness within us, reduces feeling of fatigue and anxiety, supports memory and mental clarity. So sometimes when you feel fatigue, anxiety around you, or a sign that you are not alert, you should not look into taking caffeine or popping some drug. Allow your system to heal itself by taking a glass of water, then take a rest. Most times, some of the things are accumulated stress, starting from us not being properly hydrated. At the end, you don't have a good sleep. And when you don't have a good sleep, the next day is affected. So let's help ourselves by being properly hydrated, having a good sleep. Then the following day will be a better one. So please, stay hydrated so that our system can heal itself, rather than us popping pills or going to see a doctor all the time. Hydration tips. To stay hydrated, it is best to drink water regularly through the day, not just when you feel thirsty. Eating fruits and vegetables helps too, so make it a habit. A simple way to check hydration is to look at your urine color. So when you pass urine, look at the color. If during the day your urine coloration is between levels 4 and 8, that means you are dehydrated. Please make effort to take more glasses of water during the day, or eat plenty fruits and vegetables. But if you are within levels 1 and 3, it's okay, but aim for level 1 during the day, so that you can be properly hydrated and your system will function properly. Fruits and vegetables that can help you are cucumbers, apple, mushroom, watermelon, spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, and so on. You could see all the other examples on the screen. What we're invariably saying is that you should drink water consistently. Eat fruits and vegetables to help you digest food properly and increase your water level in your body. Adjust intake during exercise. So if you are an athlete who does exercise often, for normal people that would take 8 bottles of 75 cl, you might need to take more. And for those who are in a very hot area, for example those in the north, you might also need to take more. So make this a habit so that you can be properly hydrated. So the secret to staying properly hydrated during the day is a simple formula, which immediately later on becomes a lifestyle. When you wake up in the morning, after you go to ease yourself, even before you do your morning devotion, dash off to take at least 1 liter of water. If you can do 1 liter of water, good. How do you do the 1 liter of water? Start by taking the first 50 cl. Take the first 50 cl once, sip the remaining 50 little by little. When you do that, you will be able to finish that 1 liter. little by little. So when you do the first one, the first glass, you can guzzle it once. The second one or the third one, as the case may be, take it intermittently. So after the first one, you can go do your morning devotion or attend to one or two things. While you are doing those things, you can take the sip of each of those water so that you can finish it before you dash off to the bathroom to have your bath or to start your morning routine. During the course of the day, after taking that water, always target to take at least half a glass every hour. Half a glass every hour. If you cannot take half a glass, if you cannot make it to be half a glass, sip water often. Let's say every 30 minutes, just sip on water. Have water on you. Sip on water often. Before you eat your meal, take enough water also, at least a glass of water 30 minutes before your meal. It helps to prepare your system for the food you are going to take. In fact, it's also a secret to those who want to lose weight because it helps to cut down on your appetite. When you are eating, it's best you take your water at the end of your meal. Except you need to take some water. Don't take too much while eating. Sip in between. Just sip while you are eating. It's when you are done that you take enough water. So like I said, before you eat, 30 minutes before you eat, take like up to 2 glasses of water. After you have eaten, also take another one. In between, don't take plenty, just sip water. Same thing you continue during the morning, afternoon, and make sure you stop this consumption of water by 6-7 p.m. The reason you are doing this is to make the body also to rest, because in doing this, you give the bladder a lot of work. The system will purge the whole toxins. The kidney and the liver will work very well, purge the toxins and push them to your bladder, and you might need to pee. Your question also might arise. What if I need to pee? If I take this amount of water, I need to pee all the time. Yes. The first few days when you start doing this exercise, you might need to pee. You might feel like a baby. Every minute you look as if you are leaking. Yes. But after 2-3 days of doing this, your body will adjust to it. In fact, you get to a point where you take like 2 liters of water during the day and you will not pee. So it's good we imbibe on this attitude. It will help us keep hydrated, keep ourselves healthy, and stay away from the doctor. Risk of dehydration. On the flip side, dehydration can cause serious issues like fatigue, dizziness, reduced performance, and in extreme cases, heat stroke or kidney problem. Like we have mentioned, the benefits of proper hydration. So if you are not properly hydrated, all these are bound to happen. You will see from the screen there the symptoms of dehydration. When you have all these are just indicators. The body shows that I need this, I need this. Please do not ignore those signs. When you feel that your tongue is dry, when you have start to feel fatigue, dizziness, some signs start showing up, take a glass of water. Take a glass of water. Take a walk if you are in the office. Or take a walk around, come back and take a glass of water. And you'll see that you'll be able to cure all this. Even with kidney stones, if you are able to get properly hydrated, you will be able to cure yourself of the kidney stones. But if you don't, it will compile and become a serious thing. So please stay hydrated. Let's avoid all this risk. So, in conclusion, to wrap up, proper hydration is a simple yet powerful way to maintain good health and performance at your best. Making small changes in your daily habits can have a big impact in your life. So it is advised that will stay hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for our overall health and well-being. I've given all the benefits earlier. Simple habits can ensure adequate fluid intake. I've shared the tips of staying hydrated. Keep doing the habit. Let it become a part of you. When it becomes a lifestyle, you don't have to remember measurements. Before you know, you even exceed it, and you become better. You know how to measure it. Like some people will say, what if I get to take overdose or not? You will not get overdosed. You always get properly hydrated, and your body will know how to manage every situation. Stay hydrated to feel and perform your best. In addition to the benefits of proper hydration, in women, proper hydration can help to improve vaginal lubrication, reduces dryness and sometimes frigidity. When females are dehydrated, their bodies prioritize essential functions like water going to the brain, going to the heart, or for the kidney and the other organs to use, and the essential organs, and reduces fluid production in less critical areas, including the vaginal secretion. So when you are dehydrated, your body creates priority for the important ones, sends to the brain, to the heart, to the kidney, and other internal organs, leaving out the other ones. So that's why you see you suffer what is called dryness. Sweating or female ejaculation is also affected when you are properly hydrated. Sweating or female ejaculation is also affected when you are not properly hydrated. So if you don't ejaculate often, it is high time you improve the rate of hydration. Take more liquid, preferably water. Take water. Take more water. Take more water. Many of our females are sweet tooth. So take more water. With this, your body will be able to give a good function to the body. Dehydration can lower sexual desire and physical readiness, making arousal and orgasm harder to reach. So you observe, or just like they've said, it takes a man. You can hear a 2 minutes man, Indomie noodle man, but you can hardly hear a woman who is a 2 minutes person. So all these things can contribute to that. If you want to also enjoy orgasm, it is proper that you are properly hydrated. It will help you to enjoy your sexual life. If vaginal dryness is an issue, water-based lubricants can help compensate temporarily. Otherwise, see a gynecologist as soon as possible. To this, I say thank you and conclusion to this training. Questions can follow.